My dear students, good evening to everybody. I am happy to inform you. Today we have celebrated Bogi festival with more religious fervor and gaiety and most enthusiastic, most jubilant manner. I am very happy to share my views. At the same time, tomorrow I pray to God to we are going to celebrate Makar Sankranti festival also. In this festive mood, I don't want to act as a mute spectator. Again, I want to give to upload two videos for the benefit of the throughout India students. So kindly listen to me. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, okay. Another one. This type of questions are being based regarding third group elements. That is nothing but boron family. Boron family. You know very well, boron comes 13th group, or some people say 30th group. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. In the general tendency of third group elements or 13th group element, boron, NS2-NP1 configuration, NS2-NP1 configuration, they show +3 oxidation state. They show +3 oxidation state. 2, 1, 3. But if they asked the stability of the third group elements or the 13th group element, B plus 3 is greater than Al plus 3 is greater than gallium plus 3 is greater than indium plus 3 is greater than thallium plus 3. You should kindly keep it in mind. Here, the most important, the most prominent role students have to. Here, the +3 tendency from top to bottom, the +3 tendency going to decrease. The oxidation state of +3 from boron to thallium is going to decrease, and +1 state thallium +1 state going to increases. Kindly keep it in mind. From top to bottom, that is boron to thallium, +3 oxidation stability decreases and +1 increases. Due to, what is the reason? The most important challenge question, inert pair effect. My dear students, kindly keep it in mind. If you observe 13th group elements, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, okay. Outermost configuration NS2-NP1. So 3 valence electrons are there. It shows +3 oxidation state. But from top to bottom, atomic size increases from top to bottom. Of course, there are some exceptions are there. I will dictate later. From top to bottom, +3 tendency decreases. +3 tendency decreases. But whereas in case +1 increases. So the reason is nothing but inert pair effect. So you know very well what is inert pair effect. NS2-NP1. If you observe 2s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, 3s2, 3p1, 4s2, 4p1, 5s2, 5p1, thallium, 6s2, 6p1. If you keenly observe, thallium has a special feature in chemistry. In boron family, thallium has a tendency to have a reluctance to take part in the bond formation. What is the reason here? Here thallium, the s electrons present in thallium shows reluctance to take part in the bond formation. This is nothing but inert pair effect. Let me repeat once again. For which thallium prefers to show +1 oxidation state. Why it is so? In thallium 6s to 6p1 configuration, the s electrons reluctant to take part in the bond formation. The s electrons reluctance to take part in the bond formation, for which only thallium prefers to show +1 oxidation state. +1 oxidation state. If you got the structure S2, P1. If give some energy to S electron, what happened? The electron jumps from this one, like this. But actually thallium energy is more. Energy, the more energy is required. The more energy is required. The more energy is required to unpair. To unpair. I think, are you following? The more energy is required to unpair the s electrons. Then only, if you unpair the s electron, then only we can observe S1, P2. Unpair. But here the case is, here the thing is, s electrons, if you want to divide the s electron, if you want to, the s electrons present in 6s2 has to come to P. But this is not possible at ordinary cases. Why? Because the more energy required, the more energy required to to unpair the two electrons. More energy required to unpair the two electrons present in s orbital, for which thallium shows +1 oxidation state. Thallium s electrons reluctance to take part in the bond formation. This is nothing but inert pair effect. I have already informed you. So, what is the reason, sir? What is the reason? The electrons present in s orbital to have to unpair. We have to unpair the electrons present in s orbital. But the more energy is required. So, it is not possible to unpair it, for which thallium shows +1 oxidation state. I am Cl plus is greater than indium plus is greater than thallium, gallium plus is greater than aluminium plus is greater than B plus. So thallium here has a +1 state. First one, thallium in +1 state more stable. +1 state thallium is more stable than compared to +3. Another question is there. Thallium TlCl, thallium TlCl3. Here there is a question, JE question is there. TlCl, TlCl3. Which is the most stable? Thallium TlCl is the most stable. TlCl3 is unstable.